Hi, today we'll talk about profit function. Profit is calculated as total revenue minus total cost. Here's a general formula, whereas pi is profit, TR is total revenue, and TC is total cost. Here's a breakdown of how you can calculate each of them. Total revenue is equal to price times quantity, and price is usually derived from demand function. Total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. And for those of you who are interested, average cost is equal to total cost divided by quantity. Profit function can serve as indication of how much you need to sell in order to break even, or in other words, how many products do you need to sell to have a profit of at least zero. Let's go through an example. Let's assume that our price, which is derived from demand function, is equal to 70 minus 4Q. Then we can write our total revenue equation, which is 70 minus 4Q times Q, and that is equal to 70Q minus 4Q squared. Let's assume that our fixed costs are equal to 100 and variable cost is equal to 20 per unit, which is 20Q. Now we can put our inputs into profit function, and we have 70Q minus 4Q squared minus 100 plus 20Q. We get rid of the brackets and we have 70Q minus 4Q squared minus 100 minus 20Q. Then we tidy up the equation and we have profit is equal to minus 4Q squared plus 50Q minus 100. Now, to find the break-even level, we have to substitute profit with a zero, and we have left with the equation minus 4Q squared plus 50Q minus 100 equal to 0. And as you can see, to solve it, we need the help from quadratic equations formula. And for those who don't remember the formula, here's a general example of it. Now we can insert our values in the quadratic equations formula, and we have minus 50 plus minus square root of 50 squared minus 4 times minus 100, all divided by 2 times minus 4, which equates to minus 50 plus minus 30, all divided by minus 8. And as you can see, we'll have two answers, whereas Q1 is equal to minus 50 plus 30, all divided by minus 8, and that is equal to 2.5, and Q2 is equal to minus 50 minus 30 all divided by minus 8, and that is equal to 10. So now, as we calculated our quantities of profit, we can draw a graph. And as you can see, because we have a negative sign before Q squared, our function is parabola facing downwards, which means that you will obtain profit only by producing quantities between 2.5 and 10. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. We'll try to answer them all. Thank you.